Hi, let's learn how to conduct independent sample t-test with SPSS. Independent sample t-test is used when we want to determine if there is a significant difference in the mean scores of two different groups on a continuous variable. However, it's not necessary that the two groups have the same sample size. They may have different sample sizes. In other words, we have two groups of responses and we want to test the mean difference of the two groups. How to do it? Let's go to SPSS. So here is our dataset, and we have one variable, that's the continuous variable, that's cell y, and two groups of respondents. We have male and females under the gender, and we want to determine whether male and female significantly differ in their cell ys. So how to do it? So go to analyze, then compare means, then independent sample t-test, right? So this is a test variable. So the test variable is cell y. So let me bring cell y here. Then grouping variable. Grouping variable is the gender. So let me bring gender here. So define the groups. So I have two groups. One is represented by 1 and second by 2. So then continuous. Okay. The moment you do it, you see you got the results. The first table shows summary. So here you see we have two samples, one for male and second for females. So 75 respondents, they are in male and 29 cases are in female, right? And coming to the second table, which contains the results of independent sample t-test. And you will see here, the first is the Levene's test. So this is the test for equality of variance. So we see if it is non-significant, so then we proceed in the same line. Otherwise, if it's significant, that means equal variance is not assumed, then we proceed toward the second line. So since in this particular case, in the Levene's test says it's non-significant, so that means equal variance is assumed. So we need to examine the t statistics in the same line. So go here, so this is a t statistic, so you see here, so this significance value is 0.478. So that means it is non-significant. So that means so the male and female do not significantly differ in their cell race. So let's also see, so what are their average salaries? You see in the first table, here are the average salaries. So average salary for females, it's 75.83 thousand rupees. And in case of male, it is 70.97. So all values are in thousand rupees. So we conclude that the two groups, that the male and female, do not significantly differ in their cell race. Thanks for watching.